Welcome to the Windows 2000 Evaluation and Deployment CD. My name is Jim Allchin, the Senior Vice President at Microsoft responsible for Windows 2000. We've created this CD to provide all the information you'll need to evaluate, plan, and deploy Windows 2000 Professional and Windows 2000 Server. Windows 2000 is the most strategic operating system release Microsoft has ever done and represents thousands of man-years of effort based on feedback from customers like you and our partners. With Windows 2000, we had 4 key design goals. First, make the operating system simpler to use. Second, set a new standard for reliability with Windows on both the desktop and the server. Third, provide a platform which enables developers to rapidly create the new class of web applications to solve their changing business needs. Fourth, provide an infrastructure for administrators to dramatically reduce cost of ownership and reduce the number of touches of their desktops. On the client, with Windows 2000 Professional, we set out to design the best business client for both desktop and mobile users. Specifically, our goal was to create an operating system which makes Windows even easier to use, incorporates the best business features of Windows 98, extends the strengths of Windows NT Workstation 4.0, and offers lower costs associated with managing PCs. Although we're not quite done yet, we're very pleased with our progress so far. With Windows 2000 Server, we designed a system that uniquely provides cost-effective reliability and scalability and the most comprehensive integrated application server platform available for new web applications. With so many features in Windows 2000 Server, this release may appear overwhelming, but our approach allows incremental deployment. Each server usage, for example, file, print, web, streaming media, line of business, directory, or database, offers independent improvements from each other, so you can gain benefits very quickly without changing your global infrastructure. When Windows 2000 Professional and Windows 2000 Server are combined, our goal is to deliver a unified platform that offers the lowest cost of ownership through powerful end-to-end management and an industry-leading networking and communication system. This Evaluation and Deployment CD is the place to begin to learn about Windows 2000 Professional and Windows 2000 Server. To make it easy to test drive Windows 2000, we've included video demonstrations of some of the improvements that we've made in Windows 2000. We have been talking to many of our customers like you, and you have told us that planning early with the most accurate information possible is mandatory for your success in evaluating and planning a pilot project as well as deploying Windows 2000. In this kit, you will find detailed white papers, deployment guides, tools, and other information that we have developed together with our beta customers to assist you. The Evaluation Deployment Kit also includes materials to help you build a business case to understand the economic impact Windows 2000 will have in your organization. With Beta 3, we've delivered a high-quality, feature-complete release of Windows 2000. Now is the time to begin your evaluations to ensure your organization is ready to take advantage of the final release. Because we're almost done, we really encourage your feedback as you explore this CD and Windows 2000. Thank you.